Here we're looking at the Community Model tab for logged in users, aka town teams, in each of the eTownz communities. The first thing to look at, obviously, is the table, and these are what's called logs. So we have the log title, log summary, contribute view button, and edit button. So to see the logs can be assets we need, challenges, goals, project ideas, past projects planned, stakeholders. Okay, these logs are all under health, well-being, and social. Okay, now it's also possible then to look at the logs related to environment and sustainability, business and employment, and local management and infrastructure. Users of the town team have the privilege to edit these logs. Click the edit button. It should open up like this. They're free then to make their edits. Set a location. Zoom in by rolling on the mouse. Just click where they want to move it. Press done. You can upload an image if they wish. Give it a level of priority. You can also add additional themes if they wish, or remove themes. So update and complete. The contribute button is mainly used by the front-end users, the general user, and they can add a comment and say if they support it or not, an image or a link if they want, and press submit when they're finished. The view button is currently disabled. That will give just a full summary of the information related to each log.